Family, friends, welcome back to another edition of Freestyle Fridays with the Mike.Marcus Empowerment Show. And I have a fantastic lesson today. I want to let you know this is the season to restore. So I want to start off with growth begins with release. A snake cannot grow without shedding its skin, and you cannot evolve without holding on to old habits, old fears, and old limitations. See, restoration demands separation for what no longer serves you. I want you to remember that. Like the phoenix, transformation is not always gentle. Sometimes you must burn away some of those distractions, some of those doubts, and some of those excuses to rise, to be renewed, to be stronger, to be clearer. Renewal requires that fire. But true restoration, ladies and gentlemen, is not only external, it is internal. It is the realignment of your mind. It is your energy and your purpose with your source. It is the foundation that keeps you, yes, you, centered and grounded. And here, I got a bonus I want to throw out to you. And here's a principle that a lot of people overlook. Growth acceleration, if you want to speed things up, see, it happens when you shift your mind away from yourself. And when you help others, you expand yourself. You plant your seeds in others, and you invest in your own evolution. It's beautiful. So I want you to remember this before we leave out of here today. Plant your seeds. Water them consistently. Trust the process. And remember, restoration is not always waiting. Restoration is a decision. And you guys have a fantastic weekend. Thank you for attending and watching another edition of Freestyle Fridays with the Mike.Marcus Empowerment Show. I'll see you guys next week. Robinson out.